Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix auto connection is not working in Moto G77. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, check charger. After check charger, clear cache of Android apps. Click on settings, scroll down, click on apps, scroll down. Now here you will see app. Search Android update. Now click on Android updates. Scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, Android update will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for updates and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix auto crasher is not working in Moto G77. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.